Where's those funny faces you were making? Hmm? Where's that funny face you were making? Do it again. Hmm? Why are you rolling your eyes at me? You're silly. Hmm? There's your pretty face. There's your smile. Yeah. Oh, so sleepy girl. Okay. I love you. Yeah. You were so lucky. You got to see Daddy and Tayo for the first time today. Even though it was just through the glass. Yeah, you got to see Daddy and Tayo. Yes, you did. You saw them through the glass door. That was the first time for you to see your big brother. Yeah. Are you happy about that? Yes? Are you happy about seeing Big Brother Tayo? And Daddy? Yeah? Oh, so cute. We love you. And you roll your eyes. You're so funny.